Hi everyone, how are you? Hope you are having a good day. My name is Aparna and you're watching Aparna's Home TV. Welcome to my channel. If you didn't hit that subscribe button, please do. It will mean a lot to me and you will get notified of the new things happening on my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell button so that you get notified. Even if you have subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that bell button so that all the notification comes straight to you, because sometimes if you didn't hit that yellow notification button, bell button, you won't get notified. So you have to personally come and check. But if you hit that bell button, you for sure you will be notified every time I upload something. So I hope you, if you sorry I hope you hit that bell button and want me to give you notifications about what is going on in my channel. Thank you so much for watching me, guys. In today's video, I wanted to share what I like from the film fashion, especially actresses, what they wore in the month of August. So let's see what they wore. There is not much I want to share because I didn't see something that attracted to me. Fashion is some matter of personal choice. It's not something that can be influenced, or you and I cannot like the same thing. We look at the things differently. Our eye perceives the things totally differently. We could be looking at the same thing, but we perceive them completely different. My fashion choice, if you see me personally, will be I like to be simple with little bit of makeup, not like dramatic makeup, but a simple makeup with a nice cute earrings and nice some bracelet or bangles to go with it, and I'm good. That's my personal choice. And I don't like any funky things. I like to be traditional. Most of the times I'm trying something new, but I'm not into it completely. But I only wear what I'm personally like. I don't go into the trends and buy things. I really want to stick to what I like, because even if I buy something which I don't like just because of trend, I won't wear it. For sure, I know about me. So I try to stay off of it and buy only which I think will suit me and I think I will wear. So let's not waste time and let's get into this video. Sorry for such a long introduction, but let's get into the video. Okay, first disclaimer I want to say is I got these photos from southindiafashion.com. There is nothing to hide. I'm taking the photos from them, but here the opinions are mine and totally mine. Here is what I think about them. Nothing is influencing my decision. It's purely what I see with my eyes. So let's get into. First outfit that I want to talk to you about is, you have seen it from Kriti Sanon, and it's like a maxi dress but till knee length. I really liked how the dress fit her and how simple it looked, and she didn't do pretty much heavy makeup or anything like that. Her hair was wavy and statement earrings matched her look, and she was looking absolutely beautiful in that dress. That's what I like in that dress and her, and she totally nailed that look, guys. As you can see from the picture, it's Rakulpreet Singh in an Anarkali by Jade Couture. She is looking absolutely gorgeous and simple in that dress, and it's an Anarkali and that color really suited her well, and she didn't do any heavy makeup. She put her hair in a ponytail and it absolutely looked gorgeous. I really love her earrings. It suited her dress. Sorry, guys. I would say it's like a 10 plus. I would absolutely love that dress if I had it myself. I think that's like so nice, guys, so nice. And she used the silver jhumkis and Kolhapuri chappal, which are my favorites again. And it was pretty simple, but yet making a statement. She nailed it, guys, just nailed it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Next outfit is worn by Diana Penty and it is designed by Riddhi Mehra, and it's absolutely flowing material and beautiful anarkali, if I must say, and it's like so gorgeous. She kept her hair simple, makeup simple with bold lips, and she absolutely looked gorgeous, guys. I cannot say even one negative thing about this. She absolutely nailed that look. Next outfit, as you can see, is Nainatara, and she is like absolutely beautiful, guys. Whatever she wears, she will look gorgeous no matter what. And this particular sari with contrast brows just nailed it, guys. It's like a perfect combination. She kept the makeup minimal, put the hair into the braid, and loved the red bindi, big red bindi. It suited her so good, and she looked absolutely, absolutely beautiful. Loved the outfit, loved the sari, and just her smile nailed the look, guys. Last outfit, as you can see, is another yellow color. I think I'm more into yellow colors right now, but I can't help it. They are looking so beautiful. And last outfit is worn by Divyanka Tripathi, and she looked absolutely gorgeous in that yellow anarkali, and it suited her so good, and she kept the makeup minimal. Again, if you observe all the photos or all the outfits which I like, they are with minimal makeup, like absolutely you can't notice until like you carefully observe whether they wore makeup or not. It's that simple of a makeup. That's what makes anything look beautiful, guys. Don't go for the dramatic looks. Try a simple makeup next time for a party and you will absolutely glow from within. Your dress and your makeup should speak for you, not you. It will absolutely do that if you do that in a right way. Thank you so much for watching me, guys. This is the last outfit, and I will see you guys next month with more film fashion. And if you didn't watch last month's film fashion, I will leave the link at the end of this video. Please do watch it and please see what I liked last month. I will be back next month with a new edition. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to leave me a comment. Bye for now.